Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable every new feature in Windows 11 25H2 update. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is go to settings. So go to search, type in settings, and then we need to click onto system. Now, once we're inside a system, we need to scroll down and click onto about. So it'll be at the bottom inside of system here. So go ahead and click onto that. Now we basically want to go ahead and check your Windows build. So you want something like build 26200. So if I scroll down, let's go ahead and try and find that. Okay, so Windows specs here. So OS build, mine is 26200.6899. Now we need to make sure Windows Update has applied the enablement package for 25H2 if you're upgrading from 24H2. Now we need to also realize Microsoft is doing a staged rollout of many of these features. Even if you have the build, the new features might not yet be enabled on your machine by default. Now in order to enable the new features, so I'm going to run through the quickest way to do this. So now we need to go ahead and install the update if not already. So to do this, we want to go ahead and look on the left hand side, click on the Windows Update, and now under Windows Update to the right, you want to go ahead and check for updates. So go ahead and click on that check for updates button. If you see an optional preview update, for example, KB506736 for build 26200.7019, go ahead and install it and then reboot and then come back to this video. Now from there, we need to go ahead and use the tool to force enable these hidden features. So many of the new features are present but disabled at system level. You can use a third-party tool called Vive tool to enable them, but do note this is unofficial, so you proceed at your own risk. So basically you want to go ahead and download a Vive tool from its GitHub page and then extract to a folder and then open command prompt as admin. Then navigate, for example, to path to Vive tool folder to the folder and then run a command such as this or other feature ID depending on what exactly you want to enable. Then simply reboot the PC. The hidden features should now be visible. So some of the standout new features in 25H2 is a revamped start menu. So it's unified scrollable page with new layout options. You can ask Copilot, integration into File Explorer, updated search, new colorful battery icons. Also you got setting app enhancements, more capabilities under settings. And also the update is delivered as an enablement package. You may just need to flip the switch rather than a large full upgrade.